Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today. And that is for some chocolate my mom got from Paris. And here's sort of the baggie she got. I don't know if it came from the store that she got this chocolate from, but there was a bunch of chocolate in it. So Cynthia, that's my mom's name. It's a nice baggie. And here we go. So here's a chocolate bar. And here's the wrapper. La Tour Eiffel. Bonjour de Paris. Chocolate lait. Milk chocolate. I think that's just milk chocolate in French, but that was my best French. So, the wrapper is like really great. It's really beautiful. And you can see like it's got like glitter on it and like sort of in the roses. I think these are, I don't know what those are, maybe like stars. And it's got sort of an old-timey image. So yeah, that's great. Look at the back. And there's more French. I'm not going to try and read it. But that's pretty cool. There's a place here for a message. It's like, I guess if you get it for someone, you can write something there or whatever. That's pretty cool. And an ingredients list and some more information. That is so cool. It's so cool to see it in French. And the tag. Yeah, my mom went to Indonesia and Qatar, then Paris 2 months ago. And when she was there, bought a ton of chocolate and candy. So, and of all of them she brought back, they all had pretty cool wrappers, but I thought this one was worth showing everyone. I mean, how often you get to see chocolate from Paris? So there's like a golden type wrapper here, and see what this looks like. Okay, and then there's another wrapper underneath, which is not, I think this is paper, and then this is like some kind of tin foil. My mom said she went to, she went to the very first Lacoste, see that there, store, and bought me 2 Lacoste polo shirts. And I thought that was cool because like it's the very first store ever. But I didn't unbox them on video, and honestly they've already shrunk a lot. So, but that was nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Just like normal. Just normal chocolate. Anyway, you guys, that was my unboxing of, I think this is the brand, Bonjour de Paris. That's probably the brand of this chocolate, but I'm sure it's good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.